Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube Shorts or your YouTube Shorts algorithm. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on your profile or account. And then once done, go ahead over to the top right, tap on the gear icon, just like so. And then after that, go ahead and tap on Manage All History right here. Okay, so go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load. A browser page will pop up. So as you can see here, we are now under the History tab. You can basically auto-delete every 36 months right here. Okay, or you can tap on it, auto-delete every 3 months, or don't auto-delete. It's up to you. Just hit on next, follow simple prompts. Now, if you want to, as you can see here, here's what I've watched, okay, recently, today. Here's the date and time. So you can just basically click on delete right here. Delete all time, or delete today, or delete custom range. All right, if I were you, if you want to reset it all, just delete all time. Now, I'm not going to do it, okay, because I like the current algorithm of my YouTube account. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as is. But again, click on delete. All right. Now, once that's done, when you go ahead and go back to your YouTube account and go back home, refresh the page, everything should be completely blank. All right. So go ahead and reopen the YouTube app. Once that's done, the Shorts tab will be refreshed to its default state. And that's how easy it is to reset your YouTube Shorts. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.